Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, February 24, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, February 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong February 24, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, February 24, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 7 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 77.5 million pesos for Saturday, February 24, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, February 24, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.